Hello and welcome to Sweet Carlie's Kitchen. Today I'll be making green seasoning. This seasoning can be used to season your meats and add to different dishes. It's amazing. I use it all the time when I'm cooking and I decided to just share it with you guys. Now I'm going to chop all my ingredients except the limes. This will help the ingredients blend smoothly. Now all the ingredients are nicely chopped. I'm going to use a food processor to blend everything. You can also use a blender if you don't have a food processor. You'll get the same result. Now everything is blended. I am going to add limes, and the limes will act as a preservative, and also it will give the seasoning flavor. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing videos. Bye.